Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to transfer ETH on Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure. By now, Binance has likely rolled out even more user-friendly updates, so let's get you transferring that Ethereum hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account and some ETH in your wallet. If you don't, pause this video, sign up, and come back. It's quick and easy. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using the app or website. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer in 2025's crypto world. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Wallet section. You'll see a dashboard with all your assets. Find Ethereum, ETH, in your list and click on it to open the details. Step 3. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. In 2025, Binance might have a dedicated Quick Transfer feature. Select that if available. Choose whether you're doing an internal transfer within Binance or an external one to another wallet. Step 4. If it's an external transfer, enter the recipient's ETH address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Then, input the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those. Binance often uses the Ethereum network, which can vary based on congestion. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation page. This includes the amount, fees, and destination. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, this could be faster with improved blockchain tech. Step 6. Once it's done, check your transaction history in Binance or on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to verify. And you're all set. A quick tip: always transfer a small test amount first if you're dealing with a new wallet. Crypto can be volatile, so stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.